everybody. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create Psytrance one-shot bass like this. Let's start. So firstly we need a serum. Choose analog and basic mini. Go to edit, process, flip vertical. Okay, now we have this. Okay, next we create MIDI clip. Okay, next we add a silent in new MIDI track. Duplicate MIDI node. Silent. Preset. Insert. Yes. Volume off, off, off. And this noise. Now create group. Bass shot. And play together. Now on the EQ on the silent channel, cut a low cut, cut high cut. Okay, now in bass shot group, FOB filter. Dynamic. Okay, now we add a kilohertz disperser. Choose a node. Without and with. Yeah. Now add a FOB filter Saturn. And add on a silent channel kilohertz Haas. Yeah. And also you can add a bass shot group, LFO. So yeah, this is a bass shot